So I'm doing a review on my Protech black inside the bed toolbox chest. I didn't see any black ones on YouTube. This thing is huge. I got the 60 by 19 by 30 and this thing is massive. So a little bit about it. The thing's awesome. Worth every penny. I had a piece of crap DZ. I mean, it was alright. DZ, they make alright stuff, but I mean, it was just always having moisture inside, sweating, the lock wouldn't work. This thing, you got the removable trays, so you can put different size stuff in there, and it slides back and forth. I put some carpet down, as you can see, just so stuff wouldn't slide around. The seal's really nice. I got the black, which is a little bit different. I did notice right here, there's kind of a bubble from Protech. I don't know what that's about. Probably just some run in the paint. But it's very well made. I really enjoy it. So that's my Protech toolbox. If you guys got any questions, let me know.